In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to index a Hostinger website on Google so your site can start appearing in search results. If you've just created a website using Hostinger and you're wondering why it's not showing up on Google yet, don't worry. This is completely normal because Google needs to discover and index your website before it can appear in search results. The good news is that the process is actually very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to submit your Hostinger website to Google and request indexing the right way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your site to Google Search Console, submit your sitemap, and manually request indexing for your pages so Google can find them faster. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and SEO tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it. The first step is to open Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool from Google that allows you to monitor how your website performs in search results, and it also allows you to submit your site for indexing. To get started, open your browser and go to search.google.com/search-console. Once the page loads, click the Start Now button and sign in using the Google account you want connected to your website. After signing in, the next step is to add your website to Google Search Console. Click on Add Property and then enter your website URL. If your website was built with Hostinger, simply paste the full domain of your website, for example, yourdomain.com. After entering the URL, Google will ask you to verify ownership of the website. This step proves that you actually own or manage the site you're trying to submit. The easiest verification method for Hostinger websites is usually the HTML tag method. Google will give you a small meta tag code that you need to copy. Now open your Hostinger dashboard in another tab, go to your website settings, and locate the section where you can add custom code or header scripts. Paste the verification meta tag into the header section of your site and save the changes. Once that's done, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. If everything was added correctly, Google will confirm that your website ownership has been verified, and your site will now be connected to Search Console. Now that your site is connected, the next step is to submit your sitemap. A sitemap helps Google understand the structure of your website and find all the pages that should be indexed. In the left menu of Google Search Console, click on Sitemaps. You'll see a field that asks you to enter your sitemap URL. Most Hostinger websites automatically generate a sitemap, and in most cases, the sitemap address is simply yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Type sitemap.xml into the field and click Submit. Google will now begin reading your sitemap and discovering the pages on your website. This helps Google crawl your content much faster. The next step is to request indexing for your main pages. At the top of Google Search Console, you'll see a search bar called URL Inspection. Click on it and paste the full URL of one of your pages, such as your homepage or a blog post. Google will analyze the page and show you whether it has already been indexed or not. If the page hasn't been indexed yet, you'll see a button that says Request Indexing. Click this button and Google will place your page into its indexing queue. This tells Google that your page is ready to be crawled and added to search results. You can repeat this process for important pages like your homepage, service pages, or blog posts to speed up the indexing process. Keep in mind that indexing isn't always instant. Sometimes it can take a few hours, and in other cases it may take a few days depending on Google's crawling schedule. But submitting your sitemap and requesting indexing significantly increases the chances that Google will discover your site quickly. And that's it. That's how you index a Hostinger website on Google using Google Search Console. Once your site is indexed, you can continue using Search Console to monitor performance, track keywords, and identify any issues affecting your visibility and search results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials, SEO tips, and online tools that can help grow your site faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.